everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 495 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. And this is a product that I got in my summer FabFitFun box. So if you want to see my unboxing of that, I will link that video down below. So this is a hydrating rose facial spray. And you can use this as a pre-makeup spray, as a setting spray for your makeup, and just as a way to refresh your skin throughout the day, add some moisture back into your skin. So right now I have nothing on my face as far as makeup. I did already cleanse my skin. I put on my vitamin C serum and my sunscreen, but next I'm going to be applying this spray and then putting on my makeup. So we'll be able to see how this is as a primer, and then I'm going to finish up all of my makeup and then come back and use this as a setting spray. That way I can get a review of all of the different uses. But so this alone retails for $25.95, and this is paraben free, cruelty free, and vegan. It's also sulfate free. And this brand, Grace and Stella, is a brand that I have never heard of before. Their packaging is cute. I like the minimal design. When you open it up, it says "good choice" with a winky face. So cute. Oh my gosh. And this is also so beautiful. It's got that light pink tint to it, which just makes it look so pretty. And this is big. This is 8.11 fluid ounces. This is definitely my biggest facial spray that I own. So $25.95 does sound like a high price point, but you get a lot of products. So this will probably be able to last a long time. And I love that this is hydrating because I get really dry on certain parts of my skin, other parts of my face. I get really oily. Let me just do a little spritz first to see how this sprayer is. Ooh, that smells so nice. Such a refreshing rose scent, and it smells like real roses, not like an artificial kind of like, how do I describe it? You know, like really fake smelling rose that just doesn't smell nice. Like this actually smells really nice. And that mister, this spray, looks pretty good. That was like a big area, so I'm gonna just go ahead and spray it onto my face. Oof. I gotta say though, it was a little bit hard. You could probably see me struggling to press this down. It doesn't like mist as easily as I wanted it to, this spray bottle, but I do feel like I was able to get the spray all over my face. And then my technique is I just take a dampened sponge and just press it into the skin. Ooh, there is some tackiness to my skin. Like my skin's feeling very sticky, which is good for priming makeup. Yeah, I'm surprised by how sticky it is. We'll have to see how that stickiness is after I apply my makeup, because I like tackiness in a primer, but as a setting spray, that seems a little bit strange. I wouldn't want it to be tacky. And my skin is feeling pretty moisturized. I don't know, like the texture of it feels hydrated, but it does feel a little bit tight on my face, which is kind of weird. I don't know if it's that tackiness. So next, I'm going to go ahead and apply my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This is the foundation that I always use when I'm trying out primers, because this is a very standard foundation. It doesn't really have any of those skin benefits, so I'm really able to tell how my skin looks underneath this foundation. So we'll see how this primer does after I've applied my foundation. So the foundation is blending out great on top of my skin right now. I feel like that tackiness is really doing such a good job of grabbing onto the foundation. and I think that helps it give my skin more coverage. Like where I had all that redness on my cheeks, the foundation is really sticking so well on top of that and really covering it up, so I love that. But so if you have large pores like I do, I have them along my cheeks and my nose, using this spray as a primer, it's not going to fill in the pores. So the thing is, I can definitely see texture along my cheeks and my nose. So I definitely would want to add a pore filling primer, even just along that specific area, if I was using this as my primer, so that I can smooth out that texture, because this is just going to add that moisture to your skin, the tackiness, but it's not really going to do anything to texture like that. But I don't think that it looks bad because it does have good coverage. The foundation is doing a good job of covering up the large pores. So I mean, I'm happy with how it looks, but that's just something of me being very picky, that I like to have complete smoothness here. But as for the texture of having hydrated skin, it looks really good. I don't have any dry patches showing up. Like sometimes I get dry along here these days and along my chin, but it doesn't look dry at all. The foundation's not clinging to any dry patches, so the spray did a good job of hydrating my skin for sure. So I'm happy with how my base makeup is looking right now. I feel like there's a nice dewy glow to the skin as well. Even though this is kind of just a natural finish, more like on the matte side type of foundation, my skin does look very healthy. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup. I'm going to add my concealer, bronzer, blush, setting powder, maybe some eye makeup, but then I'm going to come back and I'm going to set all of that with this spray as well, and we'll see how it does at being a setting spray. Okay, so now I'm back with almost all of my makeup complete. I just didn't do my mascara yet because I like to set my makeup before doing my mascara so that my mascara doesn't get all messy. So I'm going to go ahead and take the spray. Ooh. And I have to say that scent, it's pretty light. Like it's not like a heavy rose scent. I feel like it's the perfect amount of fragrance. And then I am just going to press it all into my skin. And wow, yeah, I would definitely say that my makeup looks fresh. It looks moisturized, but I feel like the texture of my skin and my makeup looks the same. This didn't change it, so I appreciate that. I don't want it to make my skin look extra dewy or shiny, so it still looks the same, like a natural finish. And you know what? It doesn't even really feel tacky. So that's good. I was saying that I didn't want this to have like a tacky feeling when I used it as a setting spray, and it's really not as tacky. So that's good. I am not worried about the texture on my skin at all. So all in all, this is a good spray. I liked it as a primer. I like it as a setting spray. I like how my makeup looks and how my skin is feeling. It feels pretty hydrated, but not like too overly greasy at all. It feels very fresh. So I'm really glad that I got this in FabFitFun. I'm definitely going to continue using it. And if you've tried this, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.